5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Wow! I can't see it! Oh, it's coming down! That was so crazy.
Wow.
You get it.
You gotta go
Leaving the it's going to end up in the cornfield, guys. See if
Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Where's the other one?
How do you go get it?
I've never seen stuff.
At 3, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Oh, that was cool.
Look at this one. Heads up in the crowd. Heads up. Heads up back row. Heads up back row. The speaker, heads up.
It's just drifting. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that one's more like it's flying by itself.
Oh my gosh.
The
Is the wing gonna take it up?
the lift is heavier than the
than the actual
rocket.
What happens to the rocket? It's gone?
It's pretty cool, so they can reuse it.
You can reuse it. Keep launching. You gotta track it.
Where's it coming?
It's right on the bottom. See the bottom?
I thought...
We got the
far away.
the scouts here doing their thing.
See it? At the very bottom is the rocket. Up in the middle is the nose. See?
Yeah, but I thought, where's the weight? There's a weight
They're gonna
on
have to walk about a mile to go find that.
Here it comes.
That thing went far away.
Where does it?
Maybe not a mile.
So that's why those other people had
See,
a
here it
heavier...
comes. Look at.
It's going to be on top of the trees. Oh.
Just over them.
1, launch. Cooking. Going up. Coming over the top. And there's the chute. Nice job. Congratulations.
Oh, yeah.
Just need money, go buy wild man, we're all set. I know, but this man, he's got like $1,000 in his level 3 already.
Oh, no, honey, that's my garbage.
Good job. Thank you very much. Watch wire. Okay.
They're both yellow.
Yeah, I told you that. You put the tractor in, you don't need it.
Fire up. Let me try picking you up. Oh, you're really light. Sorry, Grandpa.
Hey!
Oh, there we go. There we go. Two
Cosmic Cobra does it again. Wait.
Girls.
Wait. You should use the bigger one.
Yeah, but that was good just to test it.
Now, here we go. Range clear, skies are clear. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.